Well, the arrest of a Roseville doctor accused of having child abuse images has neighbors concerned tonight.
Dr. Khursheed Haider was arrested last week after FBI agents searched his home. Our Roxana Elias talked with neighbors today who say they don't want him returning to their community.
A Roseville doctor is in custody after a search warrant of his property revealed more than 600 videos and pictures of child sexual abuse materials.
Well, it was a surprise. I didn't think we had any of these kind of problems here. This has been pretty much a quiet retirement neighborhood.
Dr. Khursheed Haider was arrested on November 20th following the search at his home on Old Hart Ranch Road in Roseville.
All I saw was the team of the FBI with their van and several other cars, and they were going in and out and serving the search warrant and taking various boxes and computer equipment.
According to court documents, the investigation started in Honolulu, Hawaii, when another suspect was arrested in an investigation involving the trading of child sexual abuse material. FBI agents then assumed that person's online identity, and that's when they came across what they believed to be Haider's postings. By the end of September, agents linked the profile to an IP address assigned to the internet connection at Haider's home.
I think it's just a lesson for the whole community that evil can touch us all, whether we're poor or oppressed or whether we're rich and prominent. Be careful out there. Evil is a very powerful force.
Court documents list Haider as a pulmonologist who works at least one hospital. His LinkedIn profile currently has him as the vice president at V1 Health in Roseville. Online records also show he worked at the Mercy San Juan Medical Center in Carmichael. We reached out to Dignity Health, who told us they couldn't comment on Haider's arrest, but they did say Dr. Haider has not been affiliated with any Dignity Health hospital for several years and, as a result, cannot treat patients at any of our care sites.
The fact that he's a physician, this is troublesome. And I think that with what they've said, if those FBI's investigation is the amount of child porn he had, he doesn't belong here.
The doctor is scheduled for a detention hearing in federal court tomorrow in Sacramento, and prosecutors want him to stay in custody. They say the defendant may pose a flight risk because he lives with two children who appear to be the same age as those depicted.